Hey guys, I've been using CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser and I'm honestly loving the way it feels on my skin because it leaves me feeling fresh and radiant every single day.
It gives me such a soothing, refreshing feeling while cleansing, leaving my skin feeling clean, hydrated, and absolutely ready for the rest of my daily beauty routine.
If you have a fashion brand or you have a skincare brand or any brand entirely, these AI tools will help you create influencers that will help you influence for your product. So stay with me. Let me show you how to create a realistic looking AI influencer using just two tools, the image generating tool and the video generating tool. They are absolutely free. You do not need to pay for any of these tools. The first step to this is we'll be generating our image, and we'll be doing this using ChatGPT. You can use Gemini as well. For this, I'll be using ChatGPT. So give ChatGPT this particular prompt. I'll be dropping the prompt in the description of this video. Give ChatGPT this prompt, then click on the send arrow. You can do this using the free version of ChatGPT. So just allow it to load up. So once it's done generating, look at it. If you love it, just save it on your phone. If you don't, you can retweak the prompt as well. So it will give you another image entirely. Once you are done saving it, the next thing for you to do now is to upload both this image and also the products you want this particular influencer to advertise. Just head over to Pinterest and download any skincare products you want your influencer to advertise. Now upload your image and also upload the products you want your image to advertise. You're uploading your image and uploading the product. You're uploading your influencer and uploading the product. Do you understand? Now you give it this particular prompt. I want this influencer to advertise this product. I want the product to be either on the table or on her hands or he using the product. Just give it your prompt as you deem fit. Yes. For me, I said I want the product to be on her hand while she is advertising the product. Just give it what you feel like. Once you're done, just click on the send icon, then allow it to load, allow it to load. Now the result is here. As you can see, the image is holding the product. If you also want the product to just be on the table while she talks, you can just give it the prompt that you want the product to be on the table while she is talking. Now, the next thing for you to do is to generate the scripts of what you want your influencer to say. You ask ChatGPT to give you a script, if it's a 20-second script, if it's a 1-minute script, on what you want your influencer to say regarding the product. So you just give ChatGPT that prompt, then click on that send icon. So ChatGPT will now in turn give you a well-polished script of what you want your influencer to say. Then click on that send icon, then you allow it to process. Note that all this is done using the free version of ChatGPT, not even the pro version, the free version. Now it has generated our script for us. So you read through the script. If there is anything you want to make correction, you can make correction. Now it's time for us to turn our image into a video. You can do this using any video generating. So you can use Queen AI, you can use YouTube, you can use Grok, any video generating tool. For this particular tutorial, I'll be using YouTube to create my video. So first thing you have to do is you copy the script. After copying the script, head over to YouTube. Click on that plus icon, then click on the star icon. That's the AI icon. To bring to this particular interface where you have create video, upload image, video to image. Just click on image to video since we've already generated our image. So click on that image you generated from ChatGPT, then give it your prompt. The script we copied from ChatGPT, just input it under this prompt, then click on the send icon, then allow it to process. One thing I love about using YouTube to generate my video is because it's very fast compared to other video generating tool. YouTube is actually very fast in generating your AI videos.
Guys,
But
I've been using CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. I'm honestly loving the way it feels on my skin because it leaves me feeling fresh and radiant every single day. Guys, I've been using CeraVe Foaming Facial Cleanser. I'm honestly loving the way it feels on my skin because it leaves me feeling fresh and radiant every single day.
You save. Once you're satisfied with the outcome, save. Click on that three dots, then save. The next thing is to generate our second video. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second line of your script, then come back to YouTube, upload your image, and give it your prompt that you just copied. Then you click on the send icon, allow it to load up. Here comes the result. So just download on your phone. The next thing for us to do now is to join
Hey guys,
how
I've been
to
using
click
CeraVe Foaming
together.
Facial
We are
Cleanser
doing
and I'm
that
honestly
using
loving the
CapCut.
way
You
it
can
feels
use
on my
InShot
skin
or
because it
any
leaves me feeling
video editing
fresh and
tool you
radiant
feel
every
like
single
using.
day.
For me, I'll
It
be
gives me
using
such a
CapCut.
soothing,
So you head
refreshing
over to
feeling while
CapCut,
cleansing,
click on new
clean,
project,
hydrated,
then
and absolutely ready for the
upload your
rest of my
two
daily beauty
videos
routine.
generated, then add them together. You can
Hey
add in
guys,
your
I've been using
transition,
CeraVe Foaming Facial
zoom in
Cleanser and
effect,
I'm
zoom out
honestly
effect,
loving the way it
edit it,
feels on
let
my
it
skin
feel
because it leaves me
real,
feeling
let it
fresh
feel
and
like
radiant
a
every
real
single day.
influencer.
It gives me
Yes,
such a
once you're
soothing,
done, you
refreshing feeling
export,
while cleansing,
and
leaving my
that's
skin feeling
it.
clean, hydrated.
Now let's also generate a fashion influencer. We'll be creating an influencer, a fashion brand influencers. You head over to ChatGPT and give ChatGPT this particular prompt. I'll be dropping the prompt in the comment section. So you allow it to load up. You allow it to generate. Here is the result. Generated two different images for us to use. Just select one that best suits you. I'll be selecting this particular one. Then you just save it onto your phone. The next thing for us to do now is to animate our image. You have to turn our image into a video. You can do that using Grok, YouTube, Gwen, or any video generating app that you that best suits you. For this particular tutorial, I'll be using YouTube. I'll be using YouTube. So all you have to do is head over to your YouTube, click on that plus icon, then click on that star icon. Then it will take you to this particular interface where you have to select if you are creating an image, creating a video, or turning a text into a video, or turning an image into a video. Just select the one that best suits you. Since we already generated the image on ChatGPT, so I will just be clicking on the create video, like and create image, create video from image. Just select it and upload your image, give it your prompt, click on that send arrow. Then you allow it to load up. It's very, very fast compared to other video generating. So this is very, very fast. Within some minutes, your video is ready. It's very, very fast. If you have other video generator that you can use, you can make use of Gwen. I said you can use Grok. You can use any video generating. So once you are done, this is the result. This is the result.
Luxury is not just about what you wear, it is about how you carry yourself. This bag, it speaks before I even say a word. Luxury is not just about what you
So
wear, it
once
is
you are
about
done,
how you
just save
carry yourself. This bag, it
and
speaks before I even
that's
say
all.
a word.
For the second part, we'll be creating a skincare influencer. So all you have to do is just give ChatGPT this particular prompt as well. Then allow it to load up. Allow it just the same thing, just different prompt. Yeah, the first one was a fashion influencer, while the second one is a skincare influencer. Just give ChatGPT your prompts and allow it to create your image.